Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, the group of small pieces of rock evolving around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter are called. Option A, meteors. Option B, comets. Option C, meteorites. Option D, asteroids. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, asteroids. So the asteroids are group of small pieces of rock revolving around the sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. So they are approximately 40,000 in number. So you should have a knowledge about solar system and about meteors, comets, meteorites and asteroids. So you can read about these in detail from standard sources. This is also given in NCERT of class 6. So you can refer this topic from that NCERT as well. So this was all about question number 1. Now let us discuss question number 2. Which one of the following conditions is most relevant for the presence of life on Mars? Option A, atmospheric composition. Option B, thermal conditions. Option C, occurrence of ice caps and frozen water. Option D, occurrence of ozone. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, occurrence of ice caps and frozen water. So Mars is the only planet with similar daytime temperatures and an atmosphere similar to Earth. The most relevant condition for presence of life on Mars is occurrence of ice caps and frozen water. So you must have heard about the mission Mangalyaan. So this was in news way back in 2016 or 2017. So you should know about that mission as well. So you should complete the topic holistically. So you should explore other dimensions of the question as well. So in this way you can prepare for civil services examinations holistically. This will help you in clearing prelims examination and mains examination as well. So this was all about question number 2. Now let us discuss question number 3. Consider the following statements regarding asteroids. First, asteroids are rocky debris of varying size orbiting the sun. Second, most of the asteroids are small, but some have diameter as large and 1000 kilometers. So third, the orbits of asteroids lies between the orbit of Jupiter and Saturn. So you have to tell the correct answer. So option A is 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option B, 2 and 3. Option C, 1 and 2. D, 1 and 3. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, 1 and 2. So the asteroids are group of small pieces of rocky debris of different sizes. Some asteroids are small and other asteroids even have diameter 1000 kilometers. So the asteroids revolve around Mars and Jupiter. So this was all about this question. I have already told you that you should read about asteroids. So this asteroids was a part of the question number 1. So this question is framed on that asteroid. So you can read more about this and why this is in news. So you can read about that as well. So let us discuss question number 4. The correct sequence of different layers of the atmosphere from the surface of the earth upwards is option A, troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, mesosphere. Option B, stratosphere, troposphere, ionosphere, mesosphere. Option C, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere. Option D, stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, ionosphere. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So I am telling you the answer of this question. So the answer of this question is option C, troposphere, then stratosphere, and then mesosphere, and lastly ionosphere. So the correct sequence of different layers of atmosphere from the earth, from the surface of the earth is troposphere, then stratosphere, then mesosphere, and in the end ionosphere. So troposphere extends up to 8 kilometers from earth's surface, but at equator it is around 16 to 18 kilometers. Stratosphere extends above troposphere, which is around 18 to 50 kilometers, and mesosphere extends up to 80 kilometers. And above mesosphere, ionosphere is present, which extends up to 400 kilometers. So you should have knowledge about these three different layers, and you should also know about which layer is associated with ozone layer depletion, and which is called good ozone, which is called bad ozone. So you can read these detail from this topic. So this is also mentioned in the basic NCERTs, so you can refer this topic from NCERT as well. So let us now discuss question number 5, which is the final question of this video. So estuaries possess distinct blooms of excessive growth of a pigmented dinoflagellates. So these blooms are called option A, red tides, B, sea tides, C, black tides, D, sea flowers. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option A, red tides. So red tides are a special type of blooms which are found at the estuaries. These blooms are pigmented dinoflagellates. These single-celled organisms are able to swim short distances. When the algae is present in high concentration, the water appears purple or pink in color. So you should know about estuaries, how they are formed, and about blooms also. So about, you can read about water pollution as well. So this is also the associated topic. So you can connect this topic to biodiversity as well. So this is also a very important topic. So this was all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.